Hey there, welcome back to channel. We're about to embark on a journey that will completely transform your life. We're diving deep into the mystical world of abundance and how to tune into its unlimited frequency. So if you've ever wondered how to attract more wealth, success, and happiness into your life, you're in the right place. Before we jump into the secrets of abundance, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my life-changing content. Alright, let's get started. So, what exactly is the frequency of unlimited abundance? And how can you tune into it? Well, it's not as mystical as it sounds. It's all about aligning your mindset, energy, and actions with the flow of abundance that's already present in the universe. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Understanding the abundance mindset. The abundance mindset is like the fertile soil, where the seeds of unlimited abundance are sown. It's all about a radical shift. From thinking small to thinking big. It's about replacing that old, worn-out scarcity mindset with one that believes in infinite possibilities. Picture abundance as a mighty river, ever-flowing and never-ending. The universe is like this river, brimming with resources, opportunities, and prosperity, just waiting for you to tap into it. But here's the catch, you have to believe it. The abundance mindset is your ticket to freedom from self-imposed limitations. It's the key to shattering that imaginary box that you've been living in. You must believe, without a shadow of doubt, that abundance isn't a finite resource. It's like the air we breathe, endless and always available. Remember, countless individuals who came from humble beginnings have harnessed the power of the abundance mindset to achieve extraordinary success. They didn't see limits. They saw boundless horizons of opportunity. So, which side are you on? Are you confined by scarcity or liberated by abundance? The choice is yours, and it all starts with your mindset. Because here's the secret. When you truly believe in the unlimited nature of abundance, you become a magnet for opportunities, wealth, and happiness. The universe conspires in your favor. It's like tuning into the abundance frequency on the cosmic radio. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fine-tune the cosmic radio, so you're always in harmony with the frequency of unlimited abundance. But it all starts right here, with your mindset. So let's keep this abundance frequency resonating. Stay with me as we explore more keys to unlock the unlimited potential in your life. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side. Gratitude and visualization. In our journey to unlock the frequency of unlimited abundance, we're now entering a realm of profound transformation. It's all about gratitude and visualization, two powerful tools to manifest the life you desire. Let's begin with gratitude, the golden key to abundance. Each day take a moment to count your blessings, big or small. It's like creating a love letter to the universe, thanking it for all that you already have. Gratitude is not just a practice. It's a way of life. When you express appreciation for what's already in your life, you're telling the universe, I'm ready for more. You're aligning your energy with the abundant flow. Now, let's talk about the magic of visualization. Close your eyes and see your dreams vividly, as if they've already become your reality. Create a vision board, a digital collage, or simply imagine your goals as clearly as possible. Visualization isn't just wishful thinking. It's a potent tool for transformation. When you envision your dreams with unwavering belief, you're sending out a powerful signal to the universe. It's like telling the cosmos, this is the life I'm meant to live. Remember, your thoughts are like waves and they ripple out into the universe, creating energy. When you think, feel, and visualize abundance, you become a magnet for abundance. You're setting a clear intention, and the universe conspires to manifest your desires. It's not magic. It's the law of attraction in action. Like a track's leg, when you emit the frequency of abundance, you'll naturally attract it into your life. In essence, gratitude and visualization are like the cosmic knobs on your abundance radio. By expressing gratitude for what's present and vividly visualizing what's to come, you're in complete harmony with the universe's abundant frequency. Stay tuned as we continue fine-tuning your cosmic radio to abundance. Hit that like button. Subscribe and let us know in the comments below how gratitude and visualization have already worked their magic in your life. Together, we'll create the life of our dreams. Taking inspired action. We've covered the importance of an abundance mindset and the transformative power of gratitude and visualization. But here's the pivotal piece of the puzzle: taking inspired action. Tuning into abundance isn't just about positive thinking, though that's a crucial foundation. It's also about stepping into the river of opportunities and seizing them. Abundance is a dance between your thoughts and your actions. You see, taking inspired action is like a secret handshake with the universe. It's telling the cosmos that you're not just dreaming, you're doing. It's about making choices that align with your desires and actively pursuing your goals. Remember, the universe rewards those who demonstrate their commitment to abundance through action. If you desire financial success, take steps to improve your financial literacy or invest wisely. If it's a healthier lifestyle you seek, embrace exercise and nutritious choices. And taking action is the catalyst that propels your dreams from the realm of possibilities into the realm of reality. It's the driving force that turns your thoughts and visualizations into tangible results. Let's imagine your dreams as a two-part equation. On one side, you've got your vision board, your thoughts, and your intentions. But on the other side, you need action. The blood, sweat, and tears that bring your dreams to life. The magic happens at the intersection of thought and action. It's where you transform your dreams into reality. It's where you send a resounding signal to the universe that you're committed to your desires. Action is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. It's like the universe saying, "You've proven you're ready, and now we'll meet you halfway." So let's keep the action flowing. In the next segments, we'll dive deeper into how to identify and release limiting beliefs and stay open to opportunities. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments about the actions you're taking to align with the frequency of abundance. Remember, it's time to manifest your dreams. Letting go of limiting beliefs. If you're truly committed to tuning into the frequency of unlimited abundance, you must confront a formidable obstacle: your limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are like dark clouds that obscure the limitless possibilities in your life. These are the thoughts and convictions that tell you you're not good enough, you don't deserve success, or abundance is for others, not for you. But I'm here to tell you, it's time to shed those heavy, restrictive beliefs. You are inherently worthy of abundance and success. In fact, they are your birthright. Imagine, when you were born, the universe issued you a birth certificate for abundance. It's your divine entitlement. The only thing that stands between you and your birthright are those limiting beliefs that have accumulated over the years. To unlock the frequency of unlimited abundance, you must identify and release these beliefs. Start by acknowledging them. What are the stories you tell yourself that hold you back? Once you've identified these limiting beliefs, it's time to rewrite your story. Replace "I can't" with "I can." "I'm not worthy" with "I am deserving." And "abundance is limited" with "abundance is limitless." You are the author of your life. You have the power to script a narrative that resonates with abundance, empowerment, and worthiness. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Releasing limiting beliefs is like reaching out to embrace the universe and say, "I'm ready for the abundance that is rightfully mine." It's a declaration to the cosmos that you are open and willing to receive. Stay with me as we dive deeper into the art of staying open to opportunities in the next segment. Hit that like button, subscribe for more life-transforming content, and share in the comments below the limiting beliefs you're ready to release. It's time to reclaim your birthright of abundance. Staying open to opportunities. Opportunities, my friends, are like hidden treasures scattered throughout our lives. They're the stepping stones to your dreams, waiting for you to walk upon them. But here's the catch: you must remain open to them. So opportunities means embracing change and welcoming new experiences. It's about venturing beyond the confines of your comfort zone because, guess what? That's where the most abundant opportunities often reside. Your comfort zone is like a cozy bubble, but abundance lies just outside its borders. To access the unlimited frequency of abundance, you have to be willing to step out of that bubble and into the uncharted territory of growth. Being open to opportunities is like extending an open hand to the universe, ready to receive its gifts. It's an attitude that says, "I am ready and willing to explore, learn, and grow." To yourself. It's important to remember that opportunities are not just random occurrences. They often come as a result of your actions and mindset. When you think abundantly and act with purpose, the universe responds by presenting opportunities. So start building bridges to opportunities. Network with like-minded individuals, engage in continuous learning, and keep an eye out for doors that swing open as you approach them. Activating the frequency of unlimited abundance. Congratulations, abundance seekers. You've journeyed with me through the essential elements that work in perfect harmony to activate the frequency of unlimited abundance. It's time to bring it all together. Think of these elements as the instruments in an orchestra. Each plays its part, but it's when they harmonize that they create a masterpiece of abundance in your life. The first element is your mindset, the foundation upon which abundance is built. The abundance mindset is your conductor, leading the way with a belief in infinite possibilities. Gratitude and visualization are like the enchanting melodies in the symphony. They elevate your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to resonate with the abundance frequency. Taking inspired action is the rhythm that propels the orchestra forward. It's the beat that turns your dreams into reality, orchestrating the manifestation of your desires. Letting go of limiting beliefs is like removing the dissonance from the composition. It creates clarity and harmony, ensuring that no negative beliefs disrupt the flow of abundance. And staying open to opportunities is the orchestra's improvisation, the surprising and delightful moments that make the performance richer. It's where your commitment to growth meets the universe's response. Together, these elements create a symphony of abundance in your life. They activate the cosmic frequency that attracts prosperity, success, and fulfillment. Now, it's your turn to conduct this symphony. It's your life, your abundance, and your destiny. Take the baton of your abundance mindset, follow the melodies of gratitude and visualization, keep the rhythm of inspired action, eliminate the dissonance of limiting beliefs, and dance to the tune of open opportunities. You have the power to create the life of your dreams, to tune into the frequency of unlimited abundance, and to manifest your birthright of prosperity. So step onto the stage of your life, where the spotlight is on you and where abundance is the star of the show. Play this symphony of abundance every day and let it resonate with the universe. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more life-transforming content. Together, we'll create a world of unlimited abundance.